Hey, it's Joy. Welcome back to Pajama Crafter Stamps. We are so excited because today we are launching our April mini release, and this one is near and dear to my heart, and I can't wait to share it with you. But I wanted to mention, we are so excited about this release. This is part of a YouTube hop. So if you go down to the description box below, you will see all the different channels that are partaking. If you like, comment, and subscribe on each channel, that will increase your chances to win one of two $10 store vouchers to Pajama Crafter Stamps. This hub is in no way affiliated with Google or Meta, meaning YouTube or Facebook families. This is solely sponsored by Pajama Crafter Stamps. So the winner of the YouTube hop will be announced on, what is today? April 26th here on the channel. So be sure to come right back here to find out who won. Also, we have a hop over on Instagram, so you'll be eligible to win more prizes. So when you're done hopping here, head on over there. So enough of my gabbing. We're going to go camera down, and I'm going to show you the products. Okay, so with this release, actually I started this last month. We started doing envelopes, and I left a little white border at the top so you can cut that, and you can either store them in the envelopes, or if you want to do something else, you can. So the first release that we have, stamp that's being released, is called Greatest Treasure. It's these two dragons, and it's a mother and baby. My artist, Kayla, is actually being induced this weekend, and her favorite thing to draw are dragons. So I said, why not? Let's go ahead and have a dragon stamp. So the team has put together some really cool stuff, so please hop along. So you're going to have a stamp and die, and that's going to cut out the castle, the dragons, and the hearts. Okay. The next one is this In Full Bloom, and it's a wheelbarrow full of spring flowers. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to plant my garden. But we've got sentiments that say spring has sprung. Happiness is the first sign of spring. Bloom with grace. We all need to bloom in our lives, and we also need to do it in grace. Then we have a spring is in full bloom. So super cute release. And again, the design team knocked it out of the park with this. And if you hop along and head over to Instagram, you will be able to see those samples. And then this is the die outline. This is not the same size. You know, the picture is smaller than what the actual product is, but you can die cut the water can, the butterfly, and the flower, as well as the outline of the wheelbarrow. So back in stock are the flashcards. Flashcards, I want to talk about these. This one is all occasion. For this one, you're getting 12 different designs, one in portrait and one in landscape. These are printed with toner, so you can color on these, you can ink blend on these, you can watercolor on these, but they make for perfect card, 5-minute cards. So you've got a good luck, you have best wishes, wishing you a speedy recovery. So you can put any stamp on here if you wanted. You could do anything you wanted, but like I said, you can color with these. This is on Copic friendly paper, so go to town, have some fun. This is on 110-pound cardstock, so I promise you're gonna love it. Now this one is my favorite. You know, last month we came out with the stamp Some Gave All, which is Old Glory and a rugged state, to depict our veterans and to pay homage to them. Well, we thought, heck, we're coming up onto Memorial Day and 4th of July and all those. So these are more card panels. You're going to get 12 designs, 2 of each. Now these are all in landscapes, but you've got 4th of July, Veterans Day, honoring all who served, Land of the Free because of the brave, Happy 4th of July. I skipped one. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. So cool. Then we've got Lady Liberty, My Country 'Tis of Thee, Sweet Land of Liberty, of There I Sing. I'm not going to go any further with that because you don't want me to get sing-songy on you. Then we've got Veterans Day with the classic, rifle. And then we've got this cute boot. Some heroes wear capes. Mine wears boots. We've got these fun sunglasses. I'll have to find the sample of these. I colored these red, white, and blue with Copics, and it's fantastic. I've got some foiled ones. And then we've got the classic poppy for those who gave all, we remember. And today we honor and remember greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. John 15:13. Just beautiful. Then we have this cardinal. I don't know, my computer made a really weird noise, so I apologize for that. So that's why I got sidetracked. All right, and then we did these as well. These are just a fun summertime type of card. So we're going to go there real quick. Let's see what we've got. This is called Groovy. So the last one was Patriotic. And if I didn't mention, these are going to be $6.99, and you get 24 panel. This is like one of the best deals on the market, because we all know that we need 5-minute cards every once in a while. So you've got one that says positive, good vibes, stay weird, love, a different good vibes, and another good vibes. And these turn out so spectacular with foiling. So you want to use reactive toners with a laminator or a ink machine, and you have perfect card fronts every single time. And then you can also Copic color, you can watercolor on them, and you can ink blend. It is perfect. In fact, in my Make and Takes at my last show, all we did was use the dye ink blending solution and some ink, and we made a really cool card. So this is the 5-minute card for those times that maybe you need a card because you forgot. Well, we've got you handled. So thank you so much for hopping with me. Head on to the next person. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.